God remembered Noah, and all the beasts and all the cattle that were with him in the ark. God caused a wind to pass over the earth, and the waters began to subside. The fountains of the deep were closed, and the floodgates of heaven were shut. The rain from the sky was restrained. The waters receded steadily from the earth, and at the end of 150 days the waters had diminished. In the 7th month, on the 17th day of the month, the ark came to rest upon the mountains of Ararat. The waters continued to decrease until the 10th month. On the 1st day of the 10th month, the tops of the mountains became visible.
Until the waters had dried from the earth. Then he sent out a dove to see whether the waters had receded from the surface of the ground.
But the dove found no resting place for its foot, so it returned to him in the ark, because water still covered the earth. Noah stretched out his hand and brought the dove back into the ark. He waited another 7 days, and again he sent the dove out from the ark. The dove returned to him in the evening, and in its beak was a freshly plucked olive leaf. Then Noah knew that the waters had receded from the earth. He waited another 7 days and sent the dove out again, but this time it did not return.
In the 601st year, in the 1st month, on the 1st day of the month,
The waters had dried from the earth. Noah removed the covering of the ark and saw that the surface of the ground was drying. In the 2nd month, on the 27th day of the month, the earth was dry. Then God spoke to Noah.
come out of the ark, you and your wife, your sons and your sons' wives with you.
Bring out every living creature that is with you, birds, animals, and every creature that creeps upon the earth. Let them spread across the earth, be fruitful, and multiply upon the earth. So Noah came out, together with his sons, his wife, and his sons' wives. Every animal, every creeping thing, and every bird came out of the ark, according to their families.
Then Noah built an altar to the Lord.
He took from every clean animal and every clean bird and offered burnt offerings upon the altar. The Lord smelled the pleasing aroma and said in his heart,
Nor again will I curse the ground because of human heart. Though every inclination bow will human heart and settle from you.
never again will I curse the ground because of humankind, though every inclination of the human heart is evil from youth. Never again will I destroy all living creatures as I have done, as long as the earth remains.
Seed time and harvest, and winter, day and night, shall never